All right, so I'm always looking for kind of cool education opportunities or ways I can teach my children for free. And Microsoft in their education labs has this math worksheet generator, which might be something that's of interest for parents or teachers as well. So it's at educationlabs.com, and basically you just download it, install it, which I've done. So you're going to get something that looks like this, and essentially all it does is what it says it is. It's a math worksheet generator, so it's going to generate a math worksheet, and then you can print that out. So in this case, what you're going to do is you just add a math problem. I have this 52 plus 387, and they have some default problems you can choose, and you can choose how many the number of problems you want on there, and then you'd create the worksheet, and it's going to create a worksheet that's of similar complexity. So here's the addition worksheet, so you can see there's 10 math problems. What I like about this is that you get enough room for the kids to, or adults if they're working on this as well, to solve their math problems, and then you have an answer key as well. And so if we go back to that worksheet generator, let's go ahead and choose an algebraic one. So here's a simple algebraic one here. 2x plus 3 equals 11. You'd hit create, and then you could get a worksheet that kind of looks like this. And so again, you can see the worksheets generated, and then you have your answer key. So it's a really slick and free application, and it's simple and a great way if you're wanting your children to do some math problems every day.